बहुत ही नोबल कॉज के लिए हो रहा है तो फैशन शो, लेकिन आखिरकार वी आर डिस्प्लेइंग आवर हार्ट्स एंड आवर जनरॉसिटी. एवरीबडी इज चिपिंग इन. जो आर्टिस्ट है वो अपना आर्ट चिप इन कर रहे हैं, जो जेनरस लोग हैं वो अपना वॉलेट चिप इन कर रहे हैं, बट इट्स ऑल गोइंग टूवर्ड्स अ ब्यूटीफुल कॉज. और मैं और जिगर हमेशा चाहते थे कि हम कोई नोबल कॉज में जुड़े, तो आई एम रियली इलेटेड दैट वी कैन बी हियर for this, and we have to thank CPAA and Fevicol for such a lovely show.
जी, कैंसर बहुत ही भयानक बीमारी है जैसे हम सब जानते हैं, और बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं जिनको उसकी ट्रीटमेंट नहीं मिलती क्योंकि उनके पास इनफ पैसे नहीं होते, रिसोर्सेज नहीं होते. शायद ये बहुत अच्छा कॉज है और इस कॉज से जितने लोग जुड़े उतने कम हैं. अमेजिंग. शाइना एनसी, अबू जानी, संदीप खुशला, अमेजिंग.
Yeah, we totally love them. We always love their work, and they are doing just as good as I am. It's very saddening, and उनकी जैसी अदाकारा शायद ही फिर दोबारा देखने को मिले, चाहे वो हवाई हो या चाहे फिर वो इंग्लिश का सीरीज रोल हो. शी हैड एवरीथिंग. बस यही प्रार्थना करते हैं कि द फैमिली हैज द स्ट्रेंथ टू बेयर द लॉस. मुझे तो अनिल कपूर और श्रीदेवी का पेयरिंग सबसे अच्छा लगता है. मिस्टर इंडिया काटे नहीं कटते, तो मुझे तो बहुत अच्छे लगते थे वो दोनों साथ में.
आ गया नंबर, आ गया. थैंक यू.
साल से ये करते आ रहे हैं, अलग अलग लोग अलग अलग क्षेत्र से, और पैशन ऑफ रियल पीपल सो दैट ग्लैमर हैज मीनिंग. एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट ज़हीर एंड सागरिका द न्यूलीवेड्स आर सपोर्टिंग दिस कॉज, और अंत में जो कैंसर सर्वाइवर्स हैं वो भी रियल स्टार्स. I think they're the most stylish, most stunning, sweet, and genuinely a representation of India, and they're a Hindu-Muslim mix like I am.
Well, I think it's a great cause. I think that says it all. Like, and trying to do it consistently for 18 years speaks volumes of it. I think what cancer patients go through, only we can only imagine. But the kind of strength they show is an inspiration to all of us. I think, and that's the reason we are here and we are supporting the cause.
I think it's just a complete honor and a pleasure for ज़हीर and I to be here. So thank you for inviting us. So I'm just very happy that I could be a part of this celebration, because I think it speaks volume that has been going on for 18 years. So I think I just feel very honored to be a part of this. I think just like everybody else, we all have no words. I think we've all just looked up to her in a manner which is beyond. She has just been a superstar and an actor. Me being an actress, I know the way I've looked up to her. So it's just a complete loss to the whole film industry. And yeah, I mean, there's nothing much I can say. I'm just nothing else to say. It just feels very. I just get completely overwhelmed when I say things like that. So I have nothing much to say.
But I think it's a great loss. I mean, today yesterday when we woke up to this news, it was very saddening. We all were saddened by the news of her demise. It was certainly untimely, and no one was ready for it. I felt, and it's a great loss not only to the film industry, for everyone in the field of creativity, and it's a loss for nation.
I think that it's ironical because Sridevi ji was supposed to be here today with us, and it's unfortunate that she couldn't make it to the program. But her talent and grace is something that she will always be remembered for. And I think this is not about a film star or a mother, but this is about a really humble human being who always stood up for good causes.
I really have, I mean, this is something that we all remember her for all her great work, and I'm sure everybody does too. So I think all her films have been like iconic, so there's not much I can say.
Nothing. I just feel that it's an honor to be a part of such a good cause, Cancer Patients Aid Association, और मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ शाइना जी का, जिन्होंने मुझे कहा कि I must work for this for a good cause, और I was more than happy to be here. मैं बस चाहता हूँ कि ये जो बीमारी है इसका इलाज जल्द से जल्द मिले, और लोगों को जो तकलीफ़ होती है इसके वजह से वो ना हो. मुझे पता है कि सबके फैमिलीज़ में कोई ना कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति होता है जो इस पीड़ा से गुज़रता है. कैंसर एक ऐसी बीमारी है, एंड कितना कोप अप करना पड़ता है व्हेन यू हैव समबडी सफरिंग फ्रॉम कैंसर इन योर हाउस. बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता है फैमिली मेम्बर्स के लिए, फॉर द पेशेंट हिमसेल्फ. और आई एम जस्ट हैप्पी कि अगर मेरे यहाँ आने से थोड़ा भी कुछ फ़ायदा हो रहा है इस कॉज के लिए, तो आई थिंक आई एम ब्लेस्ड. I was more than happy to be. I said, of course, I will definitely come and be a part of such a noble cause. और मुझे लगता है कि हम जो पब्लिक फिगर्स हैं उन्हें ऐसे जो सोशल कॉजेज़ हैं उनके लिए ज़रूर आगे आना चाहिए. I'm very shocked and deeply saddened by that news. मैं सुबह 7 बजे उठा था, and the first thing I got to know was about her demise, and my prayers and condolences with the family. And she was my favorite actress जब मैं छोटा था. और इनफैक्ट उनका एक गाना है जो लोग मुझे चिढ़ाते थे स्कूल में, कॉलेज में, और अभी भी कभी, वो बिजली की रानी मैं हूँ आई, बिकॉज माई सरनेम इज़ बिजलानी. तो आज जब सुबह मुझे पता चला, मैं सेट पे शूट कर रहा था, तो आई वॉज जस्ट सीइंग ऑल हर ओल्ड वीडियोज़, वो गाने सारे देख रहा था. एंड शी इज़ सच अ ब्रिलियंट एक्ट्रेस एंड सच अ ग्रेट परफॉर्मर. आई थिंक it's such a big shock, and it's a huge loss for the industry, for India, because she was the first female superstar, and she defined that एक film एक female actress के बलबूते पर भी चल सकती है. So my prayers and condolences with the family. I think it's been designed by my friend Karishma. Nothing. It's just an Indo-Western outfit, and I thought कि it will be perfect for this cause as we are walking the ramp. So fashion, combined with the social cause के लिए मुझे लगा कि ये attire perfect रहेगा. Thank you.
I think it's a great cause because I feel that cancer patients are not patients, they're fighters, and we should help them in this fight. I have friends, मेरे फैमिली में हैं जिनको कैंसर है, and I've seen कि कितनी बड़ी स्ट्रगल है, और जो पेशेंट है वो तो सफ़र करता ही है, लेकिन आसपास के लोग, उनके लिए भी it becomes very difficult. But if they all get together and they fight, I don't know what to say कि जिसके ऊपर बीतती है, they know the best, but as artists, as people, what we can do is we can support them. So I am here, I performed today, I walked the ramp, and people are here, and we are all requesting them to donate money and which can go in the help of the cancer patients. So I think it's a great cause. I'm wearing China NC because I walked the ramp for her, and I think this is a floral lehenga sari, and it's the first time that I'm wearing a lehenga sari. So yes, I was pretty much excited. Sorry? I dedicated one prayer for her today. Before singing my popular songs, I sang a prayer, Ek Onkar, because I was in so much shock because आप किसी सेलिब्रिटी को इतना देखते हो, बचपन से हम उनकी मूवीज़ देख के बड़े हुए हैं, एंड सडनली यू हियर दैट शी इज़ नो मोर, तो आपको वाकई लगता है कि शायद कोई अपना चला गया है. सो आई डोंट हैव वर्ड्स टू explain what I was feeling. So I sang a prayer for her. Thank you.
sure that you've grown from strength to strength and continue the good work. Cancer is something which we all know how tough it is. Once you're in it, I think everyone has to show amazing strength, and I think that's the example here right now today, standing on stage. So we certainly take inspiration from you, and you certainly inspire all of us out there. So just want to wish everyone keep supporting good causes and keep up the good work. Thank you.
I would just like to say we are completely honored, Zahir and I, that we could be a part of this. It's a complete honor for us. So thank you, and thank you, Shaina. Thank you so very much. Thank you.
It's a really special evening, and this is something I think everyone here, the way you're responding to my music, to this event, to this beautiful cause, it shows that we're still human. And India, Mumbai, we're doing really well. A huge round of applause for all you guys. And I'm here because it's a sensitive issue, and we can't run away from this. We have to stand by the people who are going through this, and the only way I can help is just heal all hearts with my music. And I think everyone else can just do that by just being more loving, more caring. And this cause is something which is it really touched me when I heard about this. My grandfather, when I was younger, mom's father, my nana, he passed away due to cancer, and that stayed with our family for a really long time. And, today I'm here doing something. Maybe he's watching, he's seeing. I'm proud. I'm happy I could do this for all you guys, for these wonderful people, and for these cancer patients. I'm really happy I'm part of Fevicol and CPA, and I'll keep doing this, anything for a wonderful cause like this. Thank you so much.
Anything you like, sir.
ठीक है चलो.
So first of all, you're looking absolutely stunning. The performance was superb, and the dress, the aura on the stage was superb. So
पता
how
नहीं
was it?
तुम लोग ने देखा है ये सब. I तो just did my job of singing. It was beautiful क्योंकि ये एक बहुत amazing cause है, and I'm happy कि Fevicol CPA have come together to support cancer patients. And you know हम लोग इंडिया में आप देखोगे we don't have too many facilities nor any organizations जो चैरिटेबल वर्क सीरियसली करते हैं. बहुत अभी आने लग गए. सिंस 2015 देयर हैव बीन न्यू NGOs या यू नो ब्लड बैंक्स एंड नाउ समथिंग लाइक दिस. यहाँ व्हाट आई लाइक इज कि फैशन के थ्रू दे कुड गेट सेलिब्रिटीज, एक्टर्स, परफॉर्मर्स हु आर वॉकिंग. ज़हीर खान जैसे, सागरे का, ऑल इन लोग सबको लाने. दे आर इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, सो दे हेल्प स्प्रेड अवेयरनेस. एंड समवन लाइक मी, सचिन जिगर, जो हम लोग सब है, इट फील्स गुड कि वी कैन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट थ्रू आवर म्यूजिक. और मैंने सब कोशिश की गाना गा, एंड आई थिंक सब लोग, पूरी ऑडियंस, जितने बच्चे आए थे, आप लोग सब, माई मॉम वाज आल्सो देयर, एवरीवन वाज हैप्पी एंड दे हैड अ गुड टाइम. आई जस्ट बिलीव कि आपको चांस मिले लाइफ में तो यू शुड हेल्प whoever you can, क्योंकि इट ऑल कम्स बैक इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ब्लेसिंग्स, एंड करना चाहिए. यू शुड कंट्रीब्यूट टू दिस.
What was your thought in your mind while walking the ramp? While you were nervous, or because you
I was
seemed very-
bloody tired. मैं परफॉर्म करने के बाद I was walking the ramps. I was just thinking कि अभी ये पैंट नहीं निकल जाए, या पसीना ज़्यादा ना आ जाए, या पागल ना लगूं. So all these things. It was the first time that I was walking for a cause like this. ये सब सिर्फ रूम में किया है. बचपन में सोच के जब रैम्प चलें तो कैसे चलेंगे. But I was happy. यानी एक फीलिंग थी कि I have sent the right message to the audience. मैंने अपने परफॉर्मेंस के बाद बात भी किया, and जो मेरे दिल में था, I have said that. So when I saw that, when I walked out on the class, I realized that they have accepted what I have said.
Okay, Amal, what do you have to say about the Sridevi's death in the morning?
What can you say now? Such a big legend. No one thought कि इतने जल्दी she, you know, just suddenly. No one, ऐसा भी नहीं था कि illness थी या कुछ भी था. It's just unbelievable. And I'm just sad that, you know, to think for the kids and the husband and all the family. She was, abhi wedding videos, whatever came out, she looked hale and hearty. You know, that's a very sad thing, and Bollywood is going to miss her a lot because I'm sure mom and English ke baad there was a lot more that she would, you know, provide for entertainment and for great cinema. So I just wish that her soul rests in peace. बस Mr. India, हवा हवा ये सब memories लेके हम लोग बड़े हुए. So she lives on as the queen of Bollywood.
And lastly, tell us something about your attire, what you are wearing.
For the first time, I'm honored to carry off something by Abu Jani and Sandeep. And उन्होंने मुझे चुना इस occasion के लिए, and माना कि मैं capable हूँ to come and be a voice of the music industry, of the film industry. And मैं अपना एक जो simple सा message है ये कि आपको जब भी मौका मिले, please help people, please donate to this foundation, please add to this cause, क्योंकि everyone ऐसा जो बोलते हैं कि you know we have to take care of ourselves, मानता हूँ मैं. सबको अपने लेवल पे एक प्रॉब्लम होती है that you know first take care of yourself then that. Even planes में बोलते हैं पहले अपने आप को पहले मास्क पहना फिर. But कहीं ना कहीं in your heart you should have कि देखो ये भी करना है. जब आप करो you will start feeling better about yourself, your life. So contribute a little bit to charity, to cancer associations, to everything where you can save lives. वो आप करोगे तो you'll get it back 10 times. शायद आपका ही वो सब चीज़ें से you'll get blessings to, you know, someone will come and save you and your life.
Thank you.
But उस intention से नहीं, सिर्फ अच्छे intention से.
Thank you.